What's up, guys? It's your girl Dad, and I'm back again with another video. And today, guys, I'm just going to be showing you a really easy and quick way to do French tip nails. So let's get right into the video. So the first thing you're going to want to do after you shape and file the nails is buff your nails, because when you're doing like designs like this, you're going to want it to be as neat and clean as possible. So you want to buff out the nails, but not too much where the gel won't stick to the nail, but just try to get it, pretty smooth and clean. And if you do it too much, you can just go back in with a file and put some scratches on it just so your gel polish won't lift. Now, what I just did with putting the base coat on, you don't have to do this step, but I recommend it because I feel like you get a cleaner look. You can either do base coat or top coat, but it just gives you a cleaner look, and it also fills in whatever scratches and anything that you got on the nails, so that when you go in with whatever color you're going to do the French with, it won't be all foggy. It'll be very clean, and that's what you want when you're doing French tip. So buff, clean the nails very good, base coat or top coat. Once you top coat and you cure it in the light, then you can go ahead and do whatever, take out the polish that you want to use to do the French tip. Okay, guys, so I wanted you to watch that first nail and just see the way that I do it, and now I'll go ahead and actually walk you through it. So I'll start with making a V, and I just start the V's like right on the sides before you go up to like where the cuticle area is, and I do my V. It doesn't have to be a perfect V, and then I do a line through the middle. And if you're not good at centering it, you can do a line down the middle as well to make sure that your French is lined up the way it should be. And after I do the outline and I get my French centered the way I want it to look, then I go in with the regular white polish or whatever polish you're using, and I just fill the rest in. You want to make sure you get in the sides and the tips of the nail, because clients don't want to look on the side of their nail and there's no polish there. So make sure you're filling the whole nail in, not leaving any spaces or anything like that. And that's all I do, guys. It's very easy. It's very fast. But even when you do it this method, it's still a little time consuming, because you want to take your time and make sure you're doing the French very, crisp and clean. You don't want to just go in and kind of have them all looking different sizes, and you just want them to look you want them all to look the same, and you want them to look very clean. So take your time on this and charge what you're worth when you're doing French tips, because it's not just you put regular polish on the nail and cure it in the light. Like, no, it's time consuming, and if you mess up a little bit and get it outside of your French, you gotta take it off and go back. So definitely want to charge what you're worth when you do these. But this is my way of doing the French tip nails, fast and easy, quick, and something good for beginners as well. And if you made it to the end of this video, thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys in my next one. Bye. Guys, I almost forgot. I wanted to remind you that we're still doing the cash giveaway at 1,000 subscribers. So make sure if you like this video and you want to see more videos like this, that you are subscribed and like the video, comment anything down below. Just support the channel if you want to see more videos like this. That will help me to be able to continue to do this more often. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.